Good evening and welcome to our Tuesday night Zoom. We're going to play rapid fire tonight. The goal of playing this game is to get one idea from each round that you can implement in your business this month or this season. Here's the rules. We're going to put 2 to 3 players together and they are going to rapid fire answer the questions. I've got 5 rounds with a bonus round ready to play. We have 3 seconds to give your answer. And if you don't give your answer in 3 seconds, we're going to give you a big strike and you're out. And the last consultant standing is the winner of that round. So I think we're going to do 3 people per round now that I'm revisiting this idea. We'll do 3 people through round and then we'll put some winners in a bonus round. So the first question is going to be for round 1, and let's put some pros that have played this before as the example. Debbie, Jackie, and Tiffany. Have you played before? Well, you're going to play now. So it's going to be Tiffany, Jackie, and Debbie in our round 1. So it'll go Debbie, Jackie, Tiffany, Debbie, Jackie, Tiffany, and you have 3 seconds to answer, and it's a strike, you're out, and we go to the next person. Ready? Your question is different ways to sell and share Scentsy. Debbie.
Facebook.
Social media. I don't know. That's the same thing. Oh, crap. I'm out already.
Videos.
Debbie.
Wait, Tiffany.
You win.
Videos.
Texting.
Phone calls.
Email.
You guys are good.
Happy Mail.
In person.
Samples.
Giveaways.
I can't do raffles. You got me.
All that
All
crap.
right, Debbie's the winner of round 1. So you guys see how fun it is. All right, so round 2 is going to be, I've got Beth, Amy, and Jen Spiegel ready to go. Beth, Amy, Jen. Beth, Amy, Jen. We're going to answer in that order, and you have 3 seconds. Ways to double your PRV in 48 hours. Beth.
LTOs. Did you hear me? Okay.
I'm sorry, I'm drawing a blank.
Double your PRV in 48 hours.
Oh, ending a party.
Jen.
Messaging.
Beth.
Email.
Limited time offer.
Jen.
Calling everybody.
Beth.
Happy Meal.
Happy Meal in 48 hours?
Hello.
Overnight.
Amy.
FedEx. No, just kidding. Messenger party.
Pop-up open house.
Back to you, Amy.
Trunk party.
Jen.
I don't know.
Amy is the winner.
Uh,
All right, round 3. I've got Heather, Marie, and Whitney on my screen. Heather, Marie, Whitney. Heather, Marie, Whitney. We're going to go in that order. In round 3, your question is, how do you brand yourself when you leave the house?
My face mask.
20 clips.
My car magnets.
T-shirt.
Pens.
My bumper sticker.
My business card.
License plate tag cover.
My car bar on my keychain.
Ooh, on your
I have a pair of Scentsy leggings.
My Scentsy bag.
Oh,
Whose turn is it?
I think it's my turn.
Come on, Whitney.
My Scentsy charm that's on my keychain as well.
Don't leave your keys around.
Our award pins on my purse.
My award bracelet that I just got.
My body spray.
Ooh,
Everybody asks how good or ask what I wear.
Girl after my own heart.
My samples that I always pass out.
I'm lost. I don't have anything else.
Okay, Marie's out. It's Whitney and Heather.
My hand soap at work, I have my sticker on there. So whenever in the employee restroom, they'll see the hand soap with my name sticker on it.
My or not mine, but your website and phone number on the back of your window.
Oh, we said car decal.
But there's so many different car decals.
Whitney is the winner.
I used to have a little round circle that just said Scentsy on it.
That was a long round, you guys. Good job. I love it. Okay. Round 4. Who hasn't played yet? Jess. Manhattan, are you on? You're hiding from us, Jen.
I'm here.
You want to play?
Yes, I'll play.
Okay. It's going to be Jess, Jackie, and Jen. Jess,
Okay.
Jackie, Jen. Jess, Jackie, Jen. All right? And then we'll have a face-off of the winners. Okay. Are you ready? This is a little tough. This is a tough one. Maybe that should be the bonus round. Okay, this is going to be your question. Number 4. Tips for a new consultant. Tips for a new consultant.
Have a launch party. What?
I said, hurry up, Jess, before I lose my idea in my head. My brain is fried.
This gives me anxiety.
I know, right? Make their list of 100.
Oh my goodness. Wow. I had something and it was already said. Oh.
Game on, Jess.
You're out. Create a Facebook event to go along with your open house.
Make sure. Oh, are you still going? I don't know.
No, I was saying you can go now.
Okay. Make sure that you join the team page.
Yep. Save consultant support number in your phone.
I actually had that in my head. Okay, let me think for a second. How long do I get to think?
3 seconds.
Oh shoot! Oh, look at you. Seconds. Make sure you share your information with everybody that you're a new consultant and just starting a business.
Don't count on a Facebook event for people to actually purchase from your launch party. You have to send them a personalized message about how excited you are for your new business.
Don't forget to make business cards up and share.
Very good. Handwrite thank you cards to all the people who order from your launch party. What was the question?
Tips for our new teammates, is that right?
Yes.
For our new frontline or whatever.
Okay. All right, I'm good.
All right, well, I'll just spin off of that and, say that you can add a sample and a scent of the month brochure in their bag and put a cute little ribbon on it.
You took mine. I was gonna say make it all cutesy like they're getting a gift.
Sorry, I
Um,
kind of used yours and
That's
embellished.
okay. Don't forget your friends and family who live out of town. They can order from your PWS. That's free for the first 3 months.
Oh God, she's good.
I have no clue.
It should be called anxiety.
It is.
Make sure that you refer to your consultant handbook to help out with any of your questions. Oh, hurry up. I got another one. Go.
Decide who you want a vacation for free with and ask that person to join your team right away.
Good one. Make sure you take advantage of the free training that Scentsy offers on our workstation.
Take your most networked friend and ask them to host a basket party instead of ordering from your launch party so that you can certify in the first month.
Oh, crud. She's so good. My
And
brain.
you can jump in here. We didn't kick you out. You can share.
Oh, come on. Oh, come on. One minute. You go.
No, it's only fair. Go ahead.
No, I want to hear your idea.
Yeah, go.
Oh man. You really should be called anxiety. What was I just thinking? Did somebody say about telling them to refer to the training guide?
Yes.
Okay. I can send them out.
Is it my turn?
It's Jackie's turn.
How about make sure that you change your picture on your website? Nobody likes to talk to, what is it, a goldsmith?
The goldsmith
Might
warmer.
not be that anymore.
That goldsmith warmer image
Okay,
is years old.
She wins. She wins.
She wins. Jackie's the
I
winner.
was going to give it to you a second ago, and I don't know why that came to me.
Okay, I have 2 more rounds. I have 4 winners in 2 more rounds. This is perfect. It's Debbie and Amy for round 1, and then Whitney and Jackie for the other round. All right? All right. Debbie, which would you like? Number 5 or number 6?
6.
Number 6. All right. This is
Yes,
Debbie.
I didn't see that, Beth. Sorry. God, now the pressure.
Debbie and Amy. Debbie and Amy. It's your round playoff. Who should you offer a host kit to, and what could you say?
You got this, Deb.
You offer it to everybody and you say, hey, I think you'd be great at this. We have fun. You got to do it.
That's 3, Amy.
I was going to say the same thing. Anybody that you sell to, anybody that buys the product, anybody that is interested in the Scentsy, you should offer it to any one of them, especially when you're closing a party, because they can get it half off or,
Your hostess.
yes.
Hostess. All right, Amy, it's back to you. She said hostess.
Friends,
Sister.
mother,
Best friend.
husband.
You can't.
Oh, shoot, I forgot. Yes.
Okay, it's just so you guys know, if it's a mother-daughter team and if the daughter files taxes separately, they can both have their own. But if the mother wants to work with the daughter, they need to be on the same account if they file taxes together. Same with husband, wife, or 2 spouses that file taxes together. Okay, so question 5 is for Whitney and Jackie. Are you guys ready?
Yep.
Something you can post or say on social media that indirectly promotes your business.
Whose turn is it first?
You go first.
Do you guys like the smell of fall?
Ooh.
Who likes their home to smell really great?
How would you like walking in your home and smelling fresh fruits?
Is this kind of what the question is? Is this
No, it's just attraction marketing. You do this with your grandkids all the time.
um
Can they phone a friend?
Jackie's
come on,
grand-
Jess, help me out. Phone a friend. I phone Jessica. Go.
Are you team pumpkin or team apple?
Jessica's good at
Any
that.
other friends?
Come on, friends.
I have another one. The buddy clips on the backpacks.
You can do this or that.
Ooh.
I always share pictures of me either doing my laundry. Honestly, I actually shared pictures of me cleaning my toilet bowl, and I kind of did it like half. I cleaned half of it, so it looked really good. And I was like, sorry for the other half. And, you know, just like, yeah, I did. I did. But so that's good too.
Those witch warmer games you could do too.
Jackie, you always do it, the pictures with the buddies with your grandkids.
I do. I just actually showed Mackenzie the pictures of is it Biddy Buddies that are coming in?
Yeah.
Oh my God. So she's like, I have to pick one. I said, well, which one would you pick? And she's like, oh, I'm going totally off topic. I'll pick this one. And I think she picked the unicorn, of course. And then I said, oh, they're only $10, Ken's. Which other one do you want? And she goes, oh, the narwhal too. Grandma, thank you.
Well, we don't get a pick, right? They're mystery. Or
Oh,
do we
are
get a
they?
pick?
Oh, geez. I'll be buying and buying and buying.
See, now me and Amy were having this discussion earlier. It says mystery, however, it just says mystery packaging. It doesn't actually say it's mystery like what the eggs were. So I'm confused on that too.
I know the answer.
Oh, okay, good.
Remember the big debacle about the chick and the bunny? I think you get to pick what you want, but they're going to make it mystery for your recipient.
Okay, good deal.
I think this is being recorded, so don't hold me to it though.
I think that's right though. I'm pretty sure I heard when they were talking about it.
It was
during the
SFR,
release.
right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
SFR. They said
Okay.
that you can pick it, but the packaging will be mystery.
Oh, I should end the recording real quick before it gets too long. You guys, this was so much fun to play Rapid Fire. We meet up Tuesday nights live. You can hear all the fun before and after, and not just during the party. Thanks for joining us. Don't hang up, you guys.